Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ziyaret, and in this video we are going to create this Montagem One More Game added inside the CapCut. Just follow each steps carefully and you will be able to recreate the edit as I'm making it. Before we start editing, we need some material like some PNG images, overlays and backgrounds. So first we have to create all the required clips and then we'll move towards to the editing process. Once you got the material, then let's dive into the CapCut. As you know that first we have to import the audio. Over here I have just put a smaller part of the audio which is about 2 seconds and 6 frames. Okay, let me extend it and tell you like it's 2 seconds and about 6 frames. 4, then dot is 5, then here we go 6 frames. Okay, it should be that much of long. Then we have to add a beat at the center which will be on 1 second and 3 frames. Okay, add that. Then we have to add the background. Like you can get these images from my Discord, link is in the description. After like adding it, we have to adjust it and adjust the duration, make sure it's not extending the audio. Then we'll go into the mask, and in the mask we will add the horizontal mask over here. Okay, after adding the horizontal mask, we have to like give it a 45-degree of like front, so we can get this half part and adjust it like this, so it should cover the half part of the screen. The ratio is 1:1. Make sure to adjust the ratio 1:1. Then we have to add the overlay, the PNG images or the green screen animation that you want to use. I'm using a green screen animation. You can use a PNG image if you want to use that. Okay. Then, as you can see, after adding green screen, you have to remove the green screen like completely properly, like adding the chrome key and removing the background like this, also adjusting the duration of it. After adjusting the duration, make sure that you also adjust the like position of it. After adjusting the position, make sure that the ratio is 1:1. I actually forgot to tell you earlier, so make sure that ratio is 1:1. After adjusting it, you have to go and import another background. So for the downside, we will use this background. This is also available on my Discord, link is in the description. Okay, then adjust it properly, and you just have to like give it a horizontal mask. You can go and rotate it in the opposite direction like 135, or you can do the opposite side, like you can go and give it a 45-degree of like turn, then go and click on the invert and it will automatically invert the mask. Now we have to add the second PNG image or the second, what we can say, character. Like again the process is same, I'm not showing it again, I'm just fast forwarding it. Okay, and make sure that you remove the background, also adjust the position and duration of it. Now you can see we are getting a complete look of the edit. Now it's time to add the keyframe. So add a keyframe at the center, go to the starting and drag one to the right side and the other one to the left side by using the transform and basic. Go and change the x-axis of both. Then you can see a good movement from right to left or left to right. Then to give it much more smoother look, we will add the cube and graph. Okay, add the cube and graph to make it much more smoother, as you can see. Then we have to add a white image, as you can see over here. Then we will go into the mask and we will select the mirror mask over here. Then we will give it a rotation of 45-degree and we will reduce it by our thumb like this. Okay, reduces like this. Then you just have to make sure that it's completely looking like a line. Then it's just simple. We have to give it a shadow. So for the shadow, what we will do, we will make a duplicate copy of it. So let's go and make a duplicate copy of it. As you can see over here, duplicate it and drag it downside and adjust it properly. Okay, make sure to adjust that properly. Then click on the above overlay, go into the adjustment, go into the graph and set the white graph like this, so the background of that image is completely black. Then go back to the mask and give it some feather. As you can see, after giving it feather, we are getting a little bit shadow behind the overlay because it is in the behind and it's black. Then we added a feather, so it became like this. You can also do it like this, or if you have a PNG image that already have all of these, you can just add it like this. That it depends on you. You can give a custom CC to your characters like this. As you can see, although you can give it some aura or some glow that you want to add. As you can see, we have created this clip and you have to make the similar clips one by one again and again until you reach all the clips. Okay, make sure that you complete every single clip before we move towards the next phase, because all of these clips are important to continue this edit. After this, the question comes how you will make the second clip. Okay, so for that you have to remove this green screen animation, then go into the like main image or the green screen animation that you want to add. So add that like this over here, it will be right over here. Remove the green screen, again I'm fast forwarding the video so it doesn't take you much time. So then you have to adjust the position of it. Now you will see that it's like in the front side. So for that we will go into the layers, but before we have to like adjust proper duration of it, so it should cover the complete part. Then we will go into the layer options of this. So let's go into the layers, and as you can see over here in the layer, drag it to the end, so make it completely at the back side so it will be over there. Okay, and that's so easy. But you also have to replace the background, so just click on that background, click on the replace, and select the color that you want. You can also adjust the background by like changing the HSL and some graph of it. It's that easy. And then what you have to do, you have to give it some movement. So add a keyframe at the center, then at the starting, drag it to the left side, sorry, the right side. Okay, it's that simple. Just add the graph after that, and this clip is ready. You can just recreate this again and again and again. Once all the clips are ready, as you can see on the screen, now we will head towards to complete the edit. So let's combine everything together and finish up the edit. So after that, you have completed all the clips added over here. Make sure you have all the beats accurately placed so we can get a good and a perfect look. Then add all the clips that you have. You can see over here, all the clips are here, the beats are here, everything is here. Then what you have to do, you have to like go into the text and add a text. So in the song it says it's my turn, so we'll type it's my turn. Okay, like this, and then go to the font and search kick font. Okay, just select search kick and select this kick code. So if you want another font because it's pro, you can use another font. I'm using this. Then go into the style and give it some shadow, and that's it. Nothing much more to do in here. Then you have to adjust the position of it. So for that, we'll just drag it down, drag it upside on this corner and adjust the duration of it. After that, you have to add the animation. Now it depends on you which animation you want to add. You can use any typing animation. I'm like here, I'm like adding a simple like slide to type animation. You can also add the similar one. Okay, it's just that easy. Also the duration of it. Then the second text. Second text is one more game. So we will type one more game. Okay, as you can see over here, one more game. Drag it downside, and that's it. Now, like after adding this, you just have to duplicate it again and again and again. Okay, onto the whole videos. So let's duplicate it. Go into the duplicate and like paste it. Videos fast forwarded, and I don't like to waste your time, guys. So let's fast forward it. After like adjusting it like this, you have to come to this part. Actually, I actually did a mistake. So let's go over here. Here we will type something else. So let's remove it and we will type what? Let me play, or I'll tell mom. Simple is that. You just have to type this. Don't need to change position, just like adjust the animation of it. Okay, it's just simple. You can also change the animation if you want to change it. I'm changing it, so it's that simple. And you can duplicate it and drag it to the ending side, and over here again you have to change the text of it. So in this we will write grow that your brother play, and that's it. Make sure that the style of it is like the spacing of it is in the center, and that's all. After this, you have to like add some other overlays. Okay, first let's check it out. Then we will go into the overlays, and first we will add a complete red image. As you can see over here, I have added a red image, but it's like the text is in the front. So we'll go back in the layers and we'll click on overlay, click on all, and bring it to the front. So if it's in the front, it will cover the whole clips. Okay, then go into the splice, select the darken, and then add a keyframe at the ending of this clip. Okay, after selecting the darkening from this what we can say this splice, and reduce the duration, add a keyframe at the ending, set it to 0, then go to the starting and set it to 100. So it will give a like red flash effect to the clip. After adding this, we have to like add a cross mark. Okay, cut mark or the cross mark or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so after adding this, we will go into the overlays and we will add this. you can get this also on my Discord. So let's adjust it. It should cover the whole video. Then like reduce, adjust it upward on the like character and like drag it right side and give it some keyframes, and that's all. And that's, I think, very easy for you. I know you can do this. I don't want to explain it again and again. Just now duplicate it one more time, 2 times, 3 times on the all clips. Okay. After like adding this right flash and the cross mark, you will get this effect. And I know it's simple. You don't have to add that on the Bachira one and on the Kaiser one. Okay. Then there are some clips that are in the ending. So for the ending, it's your task how you will make those. I am using some mix tape transitions. You can also use a similar one. I'm not showing you here because I'm going to make a next tutorial on that. So be ready for that. I will make a next tutorial on the mixtape transition. Maybe for like 1 video or 2 video after, but there are a lot of chances that I will make the next video on the mixtape. So it's your task how you want to add the clips, how you want to add the transition, how you want to get the zoom in and zoom out on the last clips. And you can also use the same effects like the vibration flash effect or the aggressive bounce or aggressive shakes in the starting. It depends on you which effect you want. I hope this tutorial have helped you and made you learn something new. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and comment down below that what should I make next, like what type of new edit or some new effects or whatever you want me to do. Okay, so comment down below and we'll meet in the next video. Peace out.